Scrub typhus. For scrub typhus, we are going to detect antibodies against the organism that causes the disease, that is Otientia Tsutsugamushi. In this kit, we are going to detect both IgM and IgG. After the blood sample has been centrifuged, with the help of a plastic pipette provided in the box, we are going to take out 10 microliter of serum. If there's no pipette or short aid, you can also use a micropipette and take out 10 microliter of the serum and add into the sample window. Immediately after, you're going to add 2 drops of buffer solution and allow the test kit to rest and read the result within 20 minutes. Result interpretation. For valid tests, a colored line has to appear at the control region. If there is no colored line at the control region, then the test is invalid and the test has to be repeated using a different test kit from the same box or from a different box using the same sample. For negative test, only one line will appear, that is at the control region. If the sample is positive for the antibodies against Otientia Tsutsugamushi, then either IgM or IgG will appear. If IgM is positive, then a colored line will appear at the region designated by the word IgM. If the sample is positive for IgG, then a colored line will appear at the area designated by the word IgG.